This week, all our activities are back happening during the week here at Excel Church, which means Welcome Brew is back. And it also means that our kids and youth activities are all back. So that's Noah's Ark, Stay and Play, that's G-Force, and that's 180 Youth. Whoop, whoop. Now, I've got exclusive information about G-Force. We've got a new theme. Come closer if you want to know. It's the TV show! So, guys, it's going to be a good one. It's going to be a fun theme again for this year and this term. So, guys, make sure you turn up for that, kids, youth. Be there or miss out. Bye.
I wanna be a fire starter, burning higher, burning harder. We can spread and make the whole world light up, light up, light up. I wanna be a fire starter.
So starting on the 16th of January in the afternoon this year, we're going to be hosting a Rebuild, Renew and Relearn program for anyone who has experienced alcohol or drug substance abuse. So if you are someone who would need that help, or you know someone who would, please do share this opportunity for them to get in on a program to build community together and to change ways for the new year. If you want to get on, join this course, then you can do that online, or you can speak to someone from our team, and we'd love to give you more information on that.
Don't look back. They can judge me, but they won't ever suffocate me. I can see through the truth in all the lies. You can tell
We've got our next baptism service coming up on Sunday the 28th of January at the end of this month. So if you're someone who's ready to take that next step and publicly declare that Jesus is your saviour, then why not talk to one of the team to get on the list for that and do some lessons with what it means to be baptised. It's a great next step for you if you have made that choice to be a Christian. So guys, if you want to do that, get in touch with one of us. So guys, that's all for church news, but don't forget this Wednesday is prayer and Bible study, where we'll be starting a series on Ecclesiastes. And also this Saturday is Next Level, so make sure you come along in the morning for that if you're coming for those sessions. Have a great week, guys.